Here's a secret hardly anyone reveals. Have you ever noticed how some people thrive in their careers, build healthy relationships, and sleep peacefully, while others remain stuck in cycles of anxiety, self-sabotage, and restless nights? The truth is, insomnia quietly sabotages more than your rest. It undermines your mental and emotional health and your ability to grow professionally. Now imagine, what if there were a simple, practical, and transformative process that, in just 9 days, could help you rebuild your self-love and restore your emotional clarity? That's exactly what you're about to discover in this video. And the most surprising part? Day 9 might only be the beginning, because once you feel the pleasure of falling asleep peacefully, you'll want to keep those habits forever. Have you ever stopped to think about how insomnia silently affects your professional life? Look at the difference in the work life of someone who suffers from insomnia compared to someone who doesn't. Insomnia leads to frequent memory lapses, while those who sleep well tend to think faster and focus more easily. Poor sleep also causes a drop in productivity, while a well-rested person starts the day with more energy and drive. Concentration becomes a challenge, thoughts get jumbled, and everything seems harder than it should be, unlike those who sleep deeply and perform tasks with clarity. On top of that, emotional instability sets in. People with insomnia get irritated easily, lose their emotional balance, while those who sleep in peace handle pressure, deadlines, and conflict more calmly. And maybe the most alarming part, mistakes become more common. Small errors that impact results, while someone who sleeps well keeps a clear, alert mind, and brings confidence to their decisions. These claims are backed by science, according to a study by Harvard Medical School, Harvard Health Publishing. So tell me, how's your sleep? And how much has it influenced your professional journey? If this content is making sense to you, hit the like button now to help reach more people who need to sleep in peace. This channel is just beginning. Subscribe to receive more tools for your mental and emotional growth. Have you noticed how one sleepless night changes everything? Your mind feels foggy, your focus vanishes, and even simple tasks take twice the effort. But here's what few people tell you: insomnia doesn't just steal your rest, it quietly drains your career, your productivity, your spark. And do you know what's behind many sleepless nights? Accumulated guilt, hidden anxiety, harsh self-criticism. That's where two simple but powerful practices come in: conscious gratitude and genuine self-love. When you start to give thanks, even for the smallest things, and treat yourself with kindness, your mind slows down. Your heart finds shelter. And sleep finally arrives, like a natural response from a body that feels safe. And that changes everything. While those struggling with insomnia face memory lapses, emotional instability, and frequent work mistakes, those who cultivate gratitude and self-love fall asleep peacefully and wake up clear, focused, and energized. People who sleep well concentrate more easily, make decisions with confidence, and handle pressure and conflict with emotional balance. It's as if every restful night opens the door to a lighter, more capable version of yourself. So don't underestimate the power of a silent habit. Before bed, give thanks for everything, even what didn't go as planned. Then, mentally repeat, I am enough. I am at peace with myself. I am safe to rest. This simple gesture, when done sincerely, can spark a deep transformation. Gratitude prepares the heart. Self-love restores the mind. And sleep finally finds you. Don't let insomnia delay your dreams. Start today. And see how your professional life also blossoms when you learn to truly care for yourself. The question is, what happens when you follow a 9-day method to overcome insomnia? Let's find out together. What are the daily actions and meditation phrases? Day 1. Action: turn off screens and bright lights 1 hour before bed. Meditation and gratitude phrase: today, I choose silence. I am thankful for the chance to disconnect from the world and reconnect with myself. Second day. Action: drink a warm infusion of chamomile or fennel tea 30 minutes before bedtime. Meditation and gratitude phrase: my body deserves rest. I am grateful for the peace that surrounds me and the lightness that comes with each sip. Third day. Action: practice deep breathing for 3 minutes, exhaling slowly. Meditation and gratitude phrase: each breath calms me. I give thanks for this moment where I can simply exist. Fourth day. Action: write down 3 good things that happened in your day, no matter how small. Meditation and gratitude phrase: today had beauty. I'm grateful for every detail that brought light to my path. Fifth day. Action: say a phrase of self-kindness to yourself in the mirror before sleeping. Meditation and gratitude phrase: I am worthy of peace and rest. I'm thankful for allowing myself to be gentle tonight. Sixth day. Action: give yourself a soft massage on your shoulders, neck, or hands. Meditation and gratitude phrase: tonight, my touch is care. I'm grateful for being able to offer myself comfort and relief. Seventh day. Action: listen to soft sounds or ASMR with headphones, at low volume in a dark room. Meditation and gratitude phrase: I let the sound guide me to serenity. I'm thankful for this silent path that leads me to rest. Eighth day. Action: prepare your room like a sanctuary, clean sheets, dim lights, soft scents. Meditation and gratitude phrase: my space is sacred. I'm thankful for this quiet shelter where I can restore myself. Ninth day. Action: as you lie down, repeat mentally, I am at peace. Everything is okay for now. Meditation and gratitude phrase: God, I thank you for everything, even for the details no one else sees. Don't stop on the 9th day. Turn this practice into a daily habit and enjoy restorative sleep for life. Sleeping well every day isn't just about resting your body, it's about strengthening your mind and transforming your professional path. It's that deep and healing sleep that gives you clarity, focus, and balance in your decisions. This channel is new, and maybe your new beginning starts here too, from the inside out, in the silence of your night. And what if your next career breakthrough is waiting, for you to reclaim the sleep that gives you courage, energy, and confidence to become who you were born to be? If these words spoke to you, subscribe, hit the bell, and walk this journey with us. Share this with someone who needs to sleep in peace, and wake up with purpose. See you in the next episode.